Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Nikon, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, understand your photography goals. Do you want to pursue landscapes, portraits, or wildlife photography? Identifying your focus helps in determining necessary equipment and expenses. Next, set a realistic budget for your photography ventures. Consider both initial costs and ongoing expenses. Include items like lenses, memory cards, and care products. Research the prices of the camera model you want. Create a list of all essentials based on your researched prices. Ensure you are prioritizing items that align with your goals. Next, explore your funding options. Consider saving a portion of your monthly income. Also, check for second-hand options to stretch your budget further. If you're leaning towards new equipment, consider financing plans available with many camera retailers. Once your budget is in place, stick to it diligently. Avoid impulse purchases by setting a waiting period before buying new items. Track your expenses using an app or a simple spreadsheet. Regularly review and adjust your budget based on your actual spending. Finally, learn about your camera's features thoroughly. Maximizing the equipment you already possess can save money on upgrades. Practice frequently to hone your skills without the need for additional gear. By following these steps, you can effectively budget with your Nikon camera. Embrace the journey of photography while staying financially savvy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.